Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, I'm going to try something a little different. I bought this at Costco. So, no, I'm not changing this to a cooking channel. Not yet, anyway. But I decided, when I saw this, I said, I think I can use this and make some of my Christmas ornaments. Now, you say, how are you going to make Christmas ornaments out of a silicone muffin tin? And I was thinking, my first try, I'm not going to use regular resin. I'm going to use some Mix2Mold. I'm just going to move this out of the way for a moment. Here's my Mix2Mold. And I don't know how much I'm going to need, but I'm going to use a lot here. So I'm going to do the extra large. I'm going to do 1 cup of Mix2Mold and 6 tablespoons of water. So where is my little... Let me take you back a bit and show you just how those hearts were made. 20 times speed.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy.
Okay, and we're back. And here's our Mix2Mold. And we let it set about 10 minutes. And we're going to add in those hearts. And hope they set in there without having to glue them in. And I'm adding some stones and some cut glass just into, because I just want to test it out. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I guess about half hour has passed. Oh, look at that. Huh. Look at that, I'm just touching the bottom. And that is interesting.
He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories.
So because this was a muffin tin, I needed to make holes for my ornaments. And so I took my little drill out and I did the first one. And honestly, it took me a little longer than I wanted it to take. So here I am, and I decided to paint up my first ornament. And I used some of my distressed mica spray. But I chucked the drill and I decided to use some glue instead. So this is a 2-part glue. You spray it on one part and then you use the actual glue from the bottle and you put that on the other part. When you put the two together, it activates and you wait about 20 seconds, and that is when you get that's when it adheres together, and it is so strong. So I'm wondering, have you ever made your own ornaments? It's a wonderful way to express your creativity. You get to design something unique that reflects your own personality, your family traditions, or even the theme that you're going for this year. Some people make homemade ornaments to capture precious memories. Sometimes it's baby's first Christmas, or a vacation souvenir, or just a color scheme. Sometimes you like to change your color scheme each year. Some people like to do eco-friendly. They change up over the years, and they like sustainable decorations. They want to be kinder to the environment. Those store-bought ornaments can be pricey, especially in these lean years. Or maybe you just want to bond with your family. It can be a fun activity for family and friends together. You get to spend family time together, you laugh, and you can create something special. So let me know in the comments below. Have you ever created ornaments together with your special friends and family? I'd love to hear some of your experiences. And do you give them away? Some people love to give away their ornaments too. Let me know in the comments below. If you've made it this far in my video and haven't subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button and that bell. I'd love to have you back again. And if by chance you have not met your neighbor today, please take a moment, say hi to your neighbor, and make a friend today. And if you'd like, please also take a moment, and if you have a premiere today, leave that link Write in the chat. Don't be shy. If I can take a short moment of your time, I am so grateful for the blessings and the kindness and the gifts that were sent to me this month for my 70th birthday. Thank you so much. I still owe unboxings, and that will be done, I promise you. Handmade ornaments like I made today make sure trees stand out. No one else will have the exact same decorations as you do. One-of-a-kind gifts for friends, teachers, and your co-workers. It's really therapeutic and so relaxing, and it gives you a chance to slow down during the holiday rush. You can match your ornaments to any holiday aesthetic. You could make it whimsical or traditional. Just let your imagination run wild. If you've never done your own ornaments, this is the time. I hope I've inspired you to do that. I want to take this time to thank you so much for joining me and for spending this time creating some holiday magic together. Each and every one of you, your support, your comments, your creativity, and the joy you bring me means the world to me. It's truly a season of giving, and I feel so blessed to be able to take and share my art and connect with each and every one of you. Whether we're making ornaments or baking cookies or just enjoying the lights of the season, I hope it fills your home and your heart with love, laughter, and warmth. Remember, the holidays aren't about being perfect. They're about creating memories and cherishing the people who make your life brighter. And you certainly do make my life brighter. Thank you for being such an important part of my creative journey. If you are not subscribed, I would love to have you. I would love to have you join my magical family of creatives. Now, I would love to see what you're creating. So be sure to let me know in the comments below what you're up to. And until next time, happy crafting. Coming after me today is none other than I Shoot Crafty Kids Club, and that would be the Paper Queen. And you will be redirected or find the link in the chat. And this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Take care, and thank you for coming. Be safe, be well. Till next time, it's not just paint, it's art by Donna. Believe in the magic.